Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of adult age, welcome to Alien Day 2022. To celebrate that, I'm going to open up this Alien 3 Creature Pack from NECA that I've been sitting on for a couple years. I picked it up from a Books A Million while on vacation in Florida about 2.5 years ago. It is amazing. I had kind of been looking for it for a while, and I was super happy that I found one. This came out in 2019, according to the box. You got a Rottweiler with damaged interchangeable head. You got a Bambi Burster, Queen Facehugger, Queen Burster. Hell yeah. Somebody send me, or volunteer to send me, an alien queen. I need a queen. If you don't have one, find one. Send it to me. I demand it. And we're going to take a look at a human. We're going to look at Kane from the Alien 40th anniversary set. Because I needed a human. I don't have that money. I have many. I have an Ash somewhere. But damn if I remember where I put it. This one came out within the last couple years. I think I've been sitting on this one about at least a year. There's ones on the back. Yeah, I've got an Ash. I got plenty of aliens. I don't have a Ripley, but I like that white spacesuit one that's out at Targets again. Hey, Space River News. Human or creatures first?
Creatures.
Creatures first. Let's get the kniff. Pop. Pop that tape. Gotta go pop. Pop. I don't think I've ever made that sound while cutting tape. Let me slide Wolfman over so I can slide the Mummy over. Just to get that fractional amount of room. Basic orange background. Now, I have no idea what all this white schmutz is on here. But it looks to be on this side. It's dusty. So, yeah. There's fingerprints in it, so it's probably from the factory. Cool. Let me change the camera angle down. Let's get these creatures out of here. First, let me get this back up here so I can remember what the hell they are. Let's get this Queen Burster out of here. Yeah. That is one tab her. A tab for the dog over here. If I can get to it. Yeah. My struggle is your entertainment. My entertainment is your struggle. I'm an asshole and I know it. Squirrely little plastic tabs. There's even a piece of tape in there somewhere. Alright, I think that's all that. Get the Queen Burster out first. Oh, slide. There's that tape. You gotta love packaging sounds, huh? Alright. Let's take a look at the Queen Burster. Looking freaking sick. Wow, that's cool. The tail is somewhat articulated. It feels like there's a bendy wire in there. The sculpt is amazing. Got hips, she's got knees, she's got ankles, she's got lower ankles. Hell yeah, this looks sick as hell. She's got, see, her head does turn. Had to pop it a little bit. I'm glad it popped loose and not off. That is cool. And she's got single jointed upper forelimbs there. Dang. My ankles. It's it. Okay. Let's see if we can get her standing. I think she's gonna be an awkward one to stand because she's so narrow. Let's see. She's gonna be leaning on her tail because reasons. Good enough for me. Queen Burster. Very cool. Queen Facehugger. Looking wicked and disgusting. Looking like a fucking webbed spider. Ugh. Blah. Pointy, flexible finger legs. A bendy wire in the tail. That's pretty sweet. Got a wicked barb on the end of the tail. Almost looks like a face all in itself there. Yeah, you would expect the Queen Facehugger to be giant. And it does seem to be. Love it. We're going to put her tail up like... Put that there. Ugh. Ugh. Looks like a giant fucking spider on camera. It's gross. I'm not partial to spiders. So, yeah. It's creepy, man. We got the Bambi Burster. Looking all like doing, doing, doing. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my ragtime girl. It's got a mouth that can open about yay much. It's not a lot, but it's something. Nicely sculpted. The head turns as one unit. The arms do move. There are elbows. Super thin and dainty, so you really got to be careful there. The joint there. And the bendy there. That's cool. Trying to get this in a running position, perhaps. Yeah. Really got to be careful with these skinny, dainty ones. Wonderfully sculpted, by the way. Trying to figure out which direction all the knees bend in. Sorry, I got a little quiet there. I was playing. That's good enough for now. That's pretty sweet. Now it does come with what looks to be a jaw of some sort. Yeah, it's super small. But guessing by the color, it goes with the Bambi alien here. A Bambi Burster. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it in its head. If it doesn't, it may go to something else. I don't know. Is it even pictured? I don't see it pictured anywhere. No, it's just existing. Screw it. Let's look at the dog. Put that aside. Let's look at the dog. Now, it's a static dog. Basically, the only thing that moves is its head. That's slightly disappointing, but, you know, not everything can be articulated, I guess. I like the way it looks, though. Stands up real good. Let's put his fucked up head on there. See how easy it is. Hey, it pops right off. There's a fucked up head. Get on the neck, you fucked up head. I want my satisfying crack. I guess I don't get that. And that is the fucked up head. It's all scarred and scraped up. It just had an encounter with the Facehugger. Fucked him up. It's got blood and scratches over there. That's cool. Jesus Christ. Space Rover News was showing me a picture. It looked like a Facehugger on the fucking T-Rex. How terrifying is that? I want one. Let's get these alien bits and bobs over here. There. Good dog. Go on to Kane. I have a spot marked out on my DVD, Blu-ray movie shelf for at least one figure from each movie, if at all possible. Move this back up again. Hell yeah. Let's get all these accessories off of here. flung that thing halfway across the freaking table. I love twisty ties. I like them more than damn cutting ties. Save that for later. Save that for later. Put him there. Put that back there. Accessories. We got the flashlight detector doohickey. Sculpted in basic plastic. A little bit of paint here and there. Pretty neat. We have a drill bolt gun pistol doohickey. We'll check to see if that fits in his hand. It might. It might not. We have the Facehugger head. Very cool. Hard to tell if they bothered to put a face on there underneath or not. Looks like probably not. Because why would you really need one if you're going to put a facehugger on it? Nicely sculpted. That's terrifying. The tail is a separate piece, so it's wrapped around the neck and glued on. So there's a bit of flexibility there. Very cool. The busted ass helmet. Well, actually, this helmet is a two-piece helmet. That is cool. Couldn't tell from being in the package, but that's just the lens on the helmet. Got a nice hole melted through it. Nice green metallic wash with buttons and whatnot. Very cool. So you can just pop that off. Put the collar on the figure. You got the unmolested one there compared to the melty one. That's cool. I would have just given him a whole separate damn helmet. And just pops right back together. Very nice. Dig it. Let's look at Kane himself. It's a beefy figure. It's heavy. It looks like the actor, John Hurt, I believe. Yeah. I love the tank details on the back. You got the handles for the oxygen and whatnot. The hoses that you can attach to the back of the helmet. There's two ports, big and little right there. Very nice. Nicely detailed suit. Lots of different lines and textures in here. Kane split. Not bad for a suit. He's got a holster for the gun or the doohickey. That's a separate piece glued onto the collar. So he's got good range of motion. That's pretty good, actually. He's got bicep cut. Super tight bicep cut there. There's elbow articulation. It's super tight and there's not a lot of range of motion on that side. Super chunky sculpt. So he can't even grip his face. The gloves actually move around quite well. A lot of side to side on the torso. A lot of range of motion in the head, actually. There's a neck and a head peg there, head ball. It's actually really nice. Let's see, no thigh cut. Chunky knees. There's a bit of a swivel at the knee. Floating in space. He's got decent range of motion in his feet for a chunky figure. Let's see. Stands up pretty nice. Let's check out his helmet on him. It looks to me like you gotta take the head off to get the collar on. So let's try that. Alright, pops off of there. Let's get this collar on the body. Looks like it wedges partly into the collar. Yeah. It's a pretty snug fit. Once you get it close enough and work with it, you can finagle the head back in there. That's pretty cool looking. I dig that. I can probably wiggle it around and get the collar to seat a little better. That'll plug there, that'll plug there. That's cool. I dig that. That's gonna look great on the shelf. Let's now the fun part, get his head back off. Wow. Let's flatten the tip of his nose a little bit. That's cool looking. Are they the same size heads? Yeah, approximately. This one's painted, that one's not. That looks pretty good though. I dig that. Let's see, how is he gonna be on my shelf though? That's the question. Put the collar on. See if we can get the collar to snug in there real good this time. Let's put that head on there. And let's put a fucked up glass on there. That's pretty cool. Let me see if that fits in his hand like I said I was gonna. Not really. But this does. You play around with that. That fits just fine. That's probably how he's gonna be on the shelf. Kind of like that. That's awesome. Alright folks, that's gonna do it for Alien Day 2022. Peace.